Hi all, this is Simrita Basroor. This is my YouTube channel Simrita Basroor's Corner. If you like today's video, do pass it on in your contacts. और ये पूरा वीडियो देखने के बाद अगर आपको कोई भी सवाल हो, you can ask me in comment section. The languages I know are Hindi, English, Marathi and Konkani. So आप उन भाषाओं में भी मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. I'll try my level best to answer them to the best of my knowledge. Also another thing, new information and researches keep on happening. So अगर कोई ना कोई नया information मेरे रास्ते में आया regarding any of the topic discussed, I'll be mentioning it in the description or in the comment section. So stay tuned for more such videos. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Hi all, this is Simrita Basroor. Today's topic is, when is there actually a need of a psychologist or a counselor? So I've jotted down some of the reasons, and towards the end of this video I'll be explaining the reason why I did this video and what the main motto of doing this video was for. So the first reason is that when you need a listening ear and you want no one to judge you, there'll be a person and he or she is a psychologist or counselor. So you can visit us when you feel that you just require someone to listen to you and just require someone to not judge you at all for whatever actions you have done, for whatever issues you have been facing in your life. So this is the first reason. Second is, maybe you want to vent out whatever has been deeply rooted in your mind since long time. So that's why maybe you need someone to just listen to you, to just talk it out, so that it will help you to relax yourself, to calm yourself down. This is the second reason. Third reason is you are ready to accept the guidance from a third person. You are ready to accept that this person is the one with whom you can talk about your issues, your problems, and he or she will guide you and support you in whatever emotional, behavioral or any kind of thinking processes, problems which might occur in your life. Fourth reason is, you can approach a psychologist or counselor when you feel that मैंने बहुत सारी कोशिश की है but it's not happening. So maybe like nowadays people thankfully have understood the importance of yoga, of meditation, and how it helps our mind and our body and our overall health. But still there have been some issues, like some people are not that fine to sit and to do yoga because उनको कभी कभी होता नहीं है. So उसके लिए बहुत सारे factors हो सकते हैं. कृपा करके please never ever tease anyone if someone says that I cannot meditate or I cannot do yoga, or just don't label them as lazy, or just don't mock them in some way, because we need to understand that some things cannot be made fun of every time. So do take a good care of that, and do understand that when you visit a psychologist or a counselor, they will help you surely in some or the other way. Let's check the next reason. The last reason is, you're basically talking to a person that's a professional who has had certain years of experience, who has seen people, who has been taking sessions, who has been actively practicing and also upgrading himself or herself with the knowledge. Because we need to understand, जैसे कंप्यूटर को नए नए सॉफ्टवेयर्स और हार्डवेयर्स की ज़रूरत होती है, वैसे ही ह्यूमन माइंड इज़ बियॉन्ड आवर डेफिनेशन. जैसे ही हम सोचते हैं कि हमें किसी सोल्यूशन, कोई प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन मिला है या कोई सोल्यूशन मिला है जिससे हम उस प्रॉब्लम को मात दे सकते हैं, there you go. The life, just brings you with more problems. and then we sit with our hands on our heads and saying that why me. So ये सब problems को deal करने के लिए we need to really understand that there are a certain techniques, there are a certain things which you need to really do it only with the help of psychologist, only with the help of counselor. And coming back to the previous point which I was discussing, that there are some people who go for yoga, who go for meditation, but they are not able to concentrate, or they are not able to understand what is going on with them. So these things also, like I always say, that there are various reasons for it. आप एक समझने की कोशिश कीजिए कि ह्यूमन माइंड एक ऐसा पावरफुल मोड है जहाँ पे आप जस्ट कोई एक रैंडम बात नहीं बोल सकते, या फिर जस्ट रैंडमली आप उसको डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते. It will keep on surprising you more and more. The more and more you understand what is going on actually, more and more intertwined you'll be in that scenario. So it's always best that जो भी प्रोफेशनल होते हैं जिस भी काम के, उनसे ही आप काम करवाइए. बिकॉज आप अगर एवरी टाइम ऑल द वे जाओगे कुछ भी करने के लिए, एंड इफ़ यू डोंट since because everyone wants results very easily and very early, so there then the frustration level and the irritation level increases, and then it hampers your health more. So you need to really understand this, that it's a process and it takes time. And of course, if you are good with whatever skills have been told to you, whatever techniques have been told to you, and you're practicing them, you are doing it with full utter honesty, then obviously going to a psychologist or a counselor will be a boon for you. So thank you so much for watching this. If you like this video, do share it in your contacts. Thank you.